Put in a low ponytail, and then we're going to take these sides and actually tie a half a knot, and then the elastic will go in underneath, just getting it smooth. Gonna tie it, pin the knot there, and then it's going to wrap around underneath and get an elastic. So now we have a nice firm base to pin all of our curls. I'm gonna go real quick here, putting curls in everything and pin them up. This works great on hair that's not super long. It certainly works amazing on hair that is long, but it's nice to see a style on hair that's not too long, because there are a lot of brides that don't have really long hair. So bringing this up to form our curls, and I'm going to flip that little tail around, just play with it until I decide, yep, I think I like it that way. And then hairpins, because the tail is just really thin and lightweight. And the next curl is going to go right on top of that bobby pin. Little back combing, just fatten up that hair. You can use products. I don't on my mannequin heads because I don't want to goop up their hair. And moving over to the other side. So it's important to work side to side so you don't lose balance of your look. And obviously, as you're working with a mirror and checking as you go. Now, little elastic. This is a great tip. Little elastic in there. I do this a lot. So you have this pinch, and now you only need one bobby pin to hold that, because the elastic is doing 90% of the high lifting. And just playing with the hair, seeing where it's going to fold, and flip that little end around. And here you go. Spread it out. Moving on. Smoothing that top layer. Again, putting another elastic. Oh, we're going to feed that one through. And that's what's really great, is you have a general idea, but then you can be creative with your client and for your client. Don't just work off of pictures that she gives. It's important, as experts, we can have some say in the creativity. Otherwise, the same chignon and hairstyles are just showing up time after time, and we are losing our authority as designers. Spreading out and give you a spin. This is really a sweet and easy look. Thank you.